This is the List My Asset section. This page allows you to create a new asset and list it on your exchange and the exchanges of other brokers similar to you. Now enter your asset name. Enter your asset symbol. Put the digits after decimals that would you like your asset to have. Please tell us if your asset would be an ERC. Please tell us if you want to enable withdrawal or deposit for your asset. Provide your website link. Write your initial offer price in USDT. Here you can upload an asset logo. Well done. You have successfully created and listed your asset on your exchange. Check your exchange to review the listing. Other brokers will see your asset in the Assets Added by Other Brokers section on this page. They can enable your assets on their exchange from there if they wish, just as you can enable or disable their assets on your exchange if you wish. Now you can click this button and you will be redirected to the payment page. These are the assets added by you. You can now select the assets and bases you would like to display on your exchange platform.